Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great today. Welcome to my channel Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. I want to take a moment to say thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate you all for joining me in this channel today. So today we will see messages from our divine masculines to our divine feminines in twin flame connection. So again, for this reading I am using my handwritten messages. So this is not a tarot card reading. I have not pulled out any tarot cards for this reading. I am just using my handwritten love messages from your person and messages from romance angels. I have pulled out a song for this reading today and hidden truth messages from your person. So let's quickly see the messages one by one from divine masculines to divine feminines. The distance has been killing me, so my viewers maybe are in separation from this person. You and your partner may be emotionally or physically separated from each other. I want you. You matter to me a lot. Why does everything have to be so complicated? So these twin flame connections seems to be very complicated because here we go through a runner chaser dynamic. Okay friends, because before coming in this connection we have not felt so intense feelings towards each other. So generally divine masculines have tendencies to pull themselves away once they come close, uh, once our divine feminines get close to them. Okay, we are stubborn enough to make this relationship work. We met to hurt each other into awakening, but this separation is killing me. I want to feel your romantic love too. So maybe they also know about this connection. Okay, so they know that they are separated from you because you both have your own paths. You both have to do your healing by by separating from each other. Okay, so they are saying that this separation is killing them in this connection, and they want to feel your romantic love too. You are very sexy and attractive, so this is a devil energy for me. So they feel tethered to you in this connection. Okay, as in the devil card, two people are chained together, so it indicates sometimes addictions and possessiveness. So maybe your person has obsessed feelings towards you. Your eyes are beautiful, so they are really attracted towards you. I want to give you the world. I keep looking at your picture. So maybe they have your pictures with them. Okay, or maybe they are looking at your pictures through social media. You are posting something, so they are looking at them and reminiscing about your connection. Okay, I am needing to shift my focus on myself. So it is very hard for them to shift their focus to themselves. So they are saying that I'm needing, because these feelings are making them crazy. They are they are getting overwhelmed by these intense feelings. So they need to shift their focus on themselves or other areas of their life. I crave for you in my dreams. We will be together again. I want to tell you everything. There is no one else that knows me the way you do. I am trying really hard to forget you, but I can't. So, this is the energy from the past. So, when they pull themselves back from this connection, and in this separation period, they have realized that it is very difficult um, to forget about you, okay, and it is very difficult to um, run from this, escape from this connection with you, because this is a twin flame connection. So your feelings, you are energetically connected with each other in 5D, okay. There may or may not be a physical bond, but in twin flame connection, you and your partner, partner has spiritual bond with each other. You may be knowing your person energetically from past lives. You both may be living, living or meeting each other in past lives also, okay. I feel you even though we are apart. So see, so if you are apart, if you are separated from your person by a physical distance also, they can feel you energetically, okay. They can feel your energy. So spirit is really highlighting here to only send those vibes, only send um, uh, you know only radiate positive energy, uh, because you both are mirroring each other. So the energy which you want to feel from them, only send those feelings, and only radiate those positive energies towards them, because it will reflect back to you, because your twin flame is not a different person from you. It is the reflection of you, like a, when we see ourselves in mirror, okay. So mirror is a reflection of us, okay. We see the image of our own reflection. So twin flames are like that only. It is they are the part of ourselves only. So that is why in twin flames it is very common that you, we get separated from our person, okay. So this is in our soul contract, okay. So it is nothing to do with us personally. It is in our soul contract that we have to uh, part our ways in order to heal our wounds, childhood wounds, or past life karma. We have to clear those karmic cycles, and then when we reunite, um, so we can experience a very happy, successful life afterwards. So this is the significance of twin flame connection, okay. I am tired. I've been fighting a battle I can't win, period. I'm still trying to find myself. I feel a special bond with you that I have never felt before. I wish I could take back my words. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. So they are going through sleepless nights. My family and upbringing are a bigger factor than I realized. So maybe there is a third party interference from their family, okay. Maybe religious factors are affecting this connection, okay. So now we will see, one more messages left. I wish you were here. Okay, now we will see message from romance angels. So we got true love. So this is a love of a lifetime. Soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate. So we are doing twin flame connection also today. So engagement, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So maybe for some of my viewers this can be a literal engagement, or some kind of higher commitment towards, maybe your partner will be ready to offer you something more in this connection. Okay, so just take what resonates. Okay, now we have done with all our messages. So now coming on to a love song. So these are some portion of the lyrics from which I was drawn to while writing, picking this song for our readings. Okay, so I've mentioned those lyrics over here. So this may resonate with your current situation, okay, in your relationship. So we got a beautiful song by Coldplay, A Sky Full of Stars. Because you're a sky full of stars, such a heavenly view. You are such a heavenly view. So, your person is, looking, dreaming or fantasizing about you, looking at your stars. Maybe you both are star seeds. Okay, so they may be, um, searching their answers or talking to you in their head, looking at stars. So just take what resonates. Okay, friends. So that's all I have for you all today, friends. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Let me know in the comment section below. I love to hear from you, okay, friends, and I love to have you all subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell button. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care, friends.